I'm here with Chris Mudgett, a very good friend of mine, a guy that I've known for years, both as a writer himself and now as a big shot for B&T, which is one of my favorite companies. You guys know that. We're talking about the SPC223. What is it, Chris?
SPC223 is B&T's take on a modernized AR-15. So it is a short-stroke gas piston system, like most of what we do. It has all AR ergonomics. Looks like an AR, has a receiver extension, so it does not have a folding stock. Fully ambidextrous, and it's got a big hydraulic buffer system in it. So adjustable gas block. The thing has like no recoil, which you're about to see, or will be seeing as you're watching this. And it's tuned, it's built to be suppressed from the ground up. Obviously runs great without a suppressor as well. It's going to be offered in a 12.1 inch barrel, so great general purpose gun, and so SBR and pistol format, as well as a 16-inch carbine. So
Okay.
to start, they do have 5.56 chambers. They're SPC 223s due to the fun laws that we all abide by. But yeah, it's an amazing gun. Awesome ergonomics. If you're an AR shooter, you're absolutely going to love it. And like I said, that big hydraulic buffer system kills any recoil, like any movement in the gun.
And that's really part of the SPC ecosystem. I mean, that's what you guys have done. Like, I love my APCs, but, I remember being at B&T's factory with you in Switzerland a couple of years ago, and you saying, yeah, James, it may not look as sexy, but, man, that SPC system really saps up the recoil, and people in the know tend to appreciate those a lot more. So I'm excited to actually get on the range and shoot. I haven't shot it yet. Talk to me about parts compatibility with AR-15s. This is an AR-type rifle, right? And I know, I hate bringing up other companies. Believe it or not, other companies exist. But, you used to be a writer. Yeah. So, I mean, we're talking about an HK416 style rifle. Like, it's an AR style rifle, short stroke piston operated. And HK, they're not the first to do that either. There are a bunch of companies out there making short stroke piston operated AR-15s. So I want to know two things. One, parts compatibility with other ARs. Two, how is the B&T different from the other short stroke piston operated AR-15s that we're seeing from Hanel, from HK, so on?
Yeah, so the deal is, so I guess to answer your first question on parts compatibility, really muzzle devices, pistol grips, and stocks.
Not a whole heck of a lot.
No, and charging handles, but and triggers. But outside of that, it's very proprietary. The HK is a great gun. Okay, it is based on an AR-15. The SPC223 is a modernized version of that, so it is different. It's lighter than that gun. We're under 7 pounds for the SPC223, and I have not shot the latest HK, but I have a lot of time on the 416, and that is not a light recoiling rifle, regardless of what anybody says. Especially considering the weight, you would think that it would be a little bit lighter recoiling.
I love it. I love shots fired. The shots behind me aren't the only ones that are getting fired today here at Industry Day at the range. Chris, keep going.
We love HK, though. HK makes a great product across their entire product line. We're proud to be partners with them on suppressors to this day. So we do a lot of business together. They're just different guns.
Yeah, and they are fantastic. I mean, maybe you saw my review, the MR556A4, where it's wonderful. It's a wonderful design, but there's no reason why the two can't coexist as two top-end short-stroke piston-operated AR-15s. So this one's lighter.
Hell, we make parts for it.
Yeah, right.
Support it. Buy an HK if you want. We make parts for it. So
either way, either way, B&T wins. That's great. Yeah. Talk to me about any testing that you guys have done on this rifle. Anything that the viewers you think would find to be cool.
Yeah, I mean, man, it's been in development for a long time. You've seen it in several different phases of its development and gas system tuning. I mean, like I said, suppressors are huge right now. We're an enormous suppressor manufacturer. The gun is built from the ground up to work, and it works flawlessly. Suppressed, whether a low back pressure system, reduced back pressure system, a sealed system, or no suppressor. It's totally tunable, super light recoiling. It's lightweight. It's well balanced. There's really nothing not to like about it.
Can the user adjust the gas system?
100%.
How many settings?
3. 3 or 4.
Ooh, Pop,
you
we're
got
about
me
to
on
find
that
out.
one.
We're about
We're
to
gonna
find out.
find out.
Yeah, we're gonna find out. I'm gonna take the under.
3.
I'm gonna take the under. But you're saying it's 3?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, so we're gonna go with 3
We've
officially.
made a lot of changes. We've got them narrowed down to 3.
Okay. Well, I mean, look, more options are better, and then hell, the FNFAL probably had 30.
So here's the deal. So during development, we actually had a 10-position gas block at one point. And look, like this is what we do. We fine tune this thing to make we want to make it very not user serviceable, user friendly. We want it to be user friendly, and we don't want to give people too many options, but we want to give them enough options. So look, we take our R&D extremely serious. And
300 blackout.
yes.
Now?
No.
When is this gun, the 223, going to be available?
223 is available now.
How much?
About $3,000.
No, I'm kidding. No, honestly, I was expecting worse. I mean, for a European-made short-stroke piston operated, I mean, that's in line with other premium manufacturers making a similar product.
It's between $2,800 and $3,000.
Okay, yeah, that's actually pretty reasonable. Chris, thank you so much for speaking with us, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure that you subscribe to TFBTV Showtime. We're going to be bringing you more from SHOT Show 2025. Take care.